So we're going to run through the high-level cleaning kit for the GCX range. So here we've got the V-TUF GCX 9000, the 8000, the 5000, down to the little 4000. And this kit would be compatible across all these models. What we'd like to do is run through the very simple assembly process on these, which I'll run through this now for you. We start here with the connection piece. So this is where your end there will simply connect in, lift the peg, that'll clip in like that. We've got the assembly of the gutter poles. So we'll start with this elbow here, where, as you can see, that'll connect on there. That's where your airflow control is. This is a one-way fit, so as you'll notice, that doesn't connect. That'll slide on there like that. From there, you can simply add as many poles as you like. Within reason, we typically sell the 20-foot and the 40-foot kits. They are assembled just by the little quick release connection. When we're assembling the poles together, it's key that we're not having to force that connection. We just gently slide it in till we notice resistance, close your quick release. That'll hold it nice and tidy. Here we have the carbon fiber 150-degree elbow. Very easy connection. Again, quick release, close that, and then we've got the 3 tools that we would connect into the end of that depending on the application. So there you have your crevice tool option. That simply connects in there, close the quick release, and you're good to go. Release that, connect your next tool into that, connect that in, close the quick release, and then off you go. This is how we simply connect the flexi hose. So elbow on there, adjust it to your preferred position, and we'd simply take flexible hose to the elbow, and then you select your position, then you're good to go. Just wanted to touch on the internals of this machine. So we have the 2 filters in question. Typically, we've got the corrugated filter that we'd recommend to be installed at all times. This filter here will protect the motor from deterioration or failure due to dust or smaller particles getting up there and causing excessive wear. This filter is washable, so what you'd notice over a longer period of time where you're having to wash it, leave it to dry out, wash it, leave it to dry out, you will end up with the membrane harboring a certain amount of small debris, which will then cause your suction to deteriorate. So at that point, you would look to purchase a new filter. However, if you feel that this filter is not for you and you wanted to just stick with the blue sponge filter, this will protect the motor to a certain extent, but there will be finer dust and so on that'll enter the motor and cause deterioration. So just to touch on the filter change, very simple process. Question would be asked, what is this? Here, this is your metal deflector, which would stop the debris from touching straight up against the filter as it enters the tank. But this is the thumb screw you'd release. So we release that. Filter slides off, and then we go on with the blue sponge filter. And there we have that connected back into your tank, and away you go. So that gives us an overview of the assembly process for our GCX range. We'd encourage you to reach out to our customer services team or technical team if you have any questions to do with this range. Thank you for watching.